Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring data flows. Open the iPhone Health app and confirm sharing and data access for the watch. Then launch the Watch app. Go to Privacy and turn fitness tracking on so step counts update. Once done, put the watch on snugly. Skin contact matters for the accelerometer because steps are detected by motion and arm swing. Make sure Watch OS is current. Updates fix sensor issues. This first phase gets permissions and hardware ready so step complications can display reliably on a face. Now add the steps complication to your face. Press and hold the watch face, tap at it, and swipe to complications. Select the slot you want. Choose the built-in steps, activity, or a third-party step app if you prefer more detail. Pick a complication size and placement that stays readable at a glance. Corners often fit numeric readouts best. Once selected, tap Done. This places live step data on the face so you can track progress without opening apps. If you use a third-party complication, make sure background app refresh is enabled on the iPhone. Finish by verifying and customizing. Walk at least 50 steps and watch the complication update. Small movements can be delayed, so test with a short walk. Then open the Watch app to tweak color, font weight, or tap actions so the steps read clearly. If numbers don't update, restart both the watch and iPhone, confirm health and motion and fitness permissions, and ensure the step app isn't restricted by low power mode. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort to rebuild the sync. This often resolves stubborn data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.